Hey guys, it's Ross Scott and on the Space Couch today. We're joined by Thunderbird 2 because I went into Bromley yesterday with the shops reopening and I picked up this from one of the charity shops. Thunderbird's fab cross sections exposing the secrets of international rescue. Well, the craft, machinery and headquarters. And it was £3.75 from one of the charity shops. Now you see on the back. I've got a lot of these vehicles as well, so maybe at some point we'll be able to have a look at the actual cross sections and depth. So that's just all the ones it covers. This one, I think it's here. Yeah. The Sidewinder, the US Army Jungle Cat Class All-Terrain Transport Vehicle, or ATTV as I like to call it. So there is Tracy Island. Yeah, there is Thunderbird 3. Here's all the pods for this guy here. And there he is there, Thunderbird 2. I think Thunderbird 1 is here somewhere. There is the actual mansion and stuff. There's some caves and all sorts of stuff. There's like nuclear reactors and all sorts. It's a very overpowered island. There is Thunderbird 1. Has those distinctive wings that some of the fighter jets had in the 1950s and 60s. I love these cross sections, they're fantastic. And obviously we've got Star Wars ones. There is Thunderbird 2 with the mole digger in that particular pod. The one that I've got has got Thunderbird 4 in it. So yeah, very nice. And here are some of the pod vehicles. I suspect a lot of these would now be completely obsolete given how technology has actually advanced. Like a neutralizer tractor, a thunderizer, a laser cutter vehicle. There is the mole that we saw in the other one. Very, very nice. Lots of detail as you can see. Thunderbird 3. Now this one's a bit difficult to make out, so if you turn it that way, you get a better idea of it. And there's about 4 different levels in the top part that can be habitated, that are habitable by the crew rather. There is Thunderbird 4. Thunderbird 5, which they call a satellite, but is actually, of course, a space station. Yeah, very, very nice. There's all the living quarters and stuff in the centre there. Yeah, a little closer. The Creighton Ward Mansion, Lady Penelope's home. So this is her bedroom here. Guest rooms all over. I think Parker's bedroom is over on this side. There's a games room and all sorts of stuff. And then obviously you see Fab 1 down at the bottom. And there's a picture of it from the show at the top there. But yes, very, very nice. It's not a massive mansion when you look at it. There is Fab 1. Loved this car and I've got one of these as well. With Parker in the driving seat there. It's probably atomic powered or something. Fab 2, which I didn't remember at all, Lady Penelope's yacht. I'm sure it must have made an appearance a few times, but like I said, I don't remember it. There is Fab 1 in storage there, and you have all of the like suites and common areas and lobbies there with the technical areas underneath. The Sun Probe, which I assume was one of the episodes, I don't remember specifically, but they have to rescue the crew when it goes off course. Lots of 1960s techno babble in there. Toxaline fuel lines. Fusion reactor radiant cooling fins. All that sort of stuff. And here is the ATTV. The Sidewinder as it's known. But yeah, it's kind of an early prototype, I suppose, of the AT-ATs and stuff like that. Obviously, this is from much, much earlier than it was in Star Wars. But yeah, Very nice. And the legs, of course, very similar to what we see here on Thunderbird 2. And then we have the crab logger, which basically rips down forests and stuff like that. It's quite large as well. And that is it. So yes, great find for $3.75. I'm absolutely delighted with it. Like I said, I've got a lot of the vehicles, so hopefully we'll be able to have a look at the specific ones in due course. There's an awful lot of information on there. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for a common topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.